Vantara clean chit. The Supreme Court has today given a clean chit to Vantara, the animal rescue and rehabilitation initiative of the Reliance Foundation in Jamnagar, Gujarat. This verdict stands as a historic mandate after multiple rounds of scrutiny and exhaustive inquiries by some of the highest authorities. Vantara has been given a complete and unequivocal clean chit, bringing to rest months of debate and speculation around the project. The SIT was set up following two petitions that had alleged unlawful procurement of animals, mistreatment in captivity, and even financial irregularities. While the court had earlier noted that no probative material was placed before it, given the seriousness of the allegations, it decided to constitute a fact-finding SIT, headed by retired judges and senior officials to investigate the matter in depth. Now, the special investigation team coordinated with a wide range of authorities from the Central Zoo Authority, the CBI, Enforcement Directorate, and Directorate of Revenue Intelligence to Customs and international CITES bodies. The team examined records, affidavits, site visits, expert opinions, and even held personal hearings. Allegations ranging from animal acquisition and smuggling to laundering, welfare practices, and environmental concerns were all put under the scanner. The SIT's findings were categorical. First, no legal violations were discovered. The report makes it clear that there has been no breach of the Wildlife Protection Act, Zoo Rules, CZA guidelines, the Customs Act, FEMA, PMLA, or CITES. All animal acquisitions and imports were duly documented and legally permitted. Second, the team found that Vantara's animal welfare facilities not only meet but exceed prescribed benchmarks of care, husbandry, and veterinary infrastructure. Mortality rates at the center are consistent with global zoological averages. In fact, Vantara has been certified by the Global Humane Society with the prestigious Global Humane Certified Seal of Approval. Third, financial allegations were also addressed. Claims of misuse of carbon credits, water resources, or money laundering were found all to be baseless. No irregular financial flows, fund diversions, or smuggling links were detected. And finally, the SIT pointed out that Vantara has repeatedly faced similar allegations in the past, all of which were dismissed after scrutiny. The Supreme Court agreed with this assessment and observed that continuing such speculative petitions amounts to an abuse of the judicial process. In its order, the Supreme Court has also made important observations. Referring to Vantara, the court said, and I quote, "There are some things which are the pride of our country. We cannot raise these issues and create hue and cry. Let some good things happen in the country also. We should be happy about all these good things." On the specific issue of elephant acquisitions, the court added, if acquisition of elephant is as per law, then what is the problem? If all provisions are followed and acquisition happens, what is the problem? You cannot pass some general statements like this. The court directed that the SIT report be sealed with a full copy handed over to Vantara for internal use, while a summary has been made public as per part of the order. All petitions and complaints listed in the case stand closed and no further complaints on the same allegations will be entertained in any forum. The court also asked Vantara and relevant authorities to implement the measures suggested by the SIT and give the foundation the liberty to pursue remedies against defamatory publications. Members of the SIT, except the serving IRS officer, were awarded an honorarium for their work. For the uninitiated, Vantara, meaning star of the forest, was conceived by Anant Ambani, the youngest son of Mukesh Ambani. Spread across nearly 3,000 acres of reclaimed greenbelt land within Reliance's Jamnagar refinery complex, Vantara is one of the largest animal rescue and rehabilitation initiatives in the world. It is home to more than 200 elephants, over 300 big cats, including tigers, lions, jaguars, and leopards, over 300 herbivores such as deer and antelopes, and more than 1,200 reptiles ranging from crocodiles to snakes and turtles. Altogether, nearly 1.5 lakh animals or more than 2,000 species live in this ecosystem. Unlike a zoo, Vantara positions itself as a rehabilitation center with specialized facilities such as elephant hospitals, treatment pools, advanced diagnostic equipment, including MRI and CT scans, and even intensive care units designed for animals. Partnerships with international veterinarians and conservation experts further strengthen its capabilities. In recognition of these efforts, Vantara was awarded the Prani Mitra National Award in the corporate category by the Government of India. Formally unveiled in February 2024, the project has since earned global praise for its scale, innovation, and commitment to animal welfare. And now, with the Supreme Court's order of 15 September 2025, Vantara stands legally vindicated. The cases have been closed, the allegations dismissed, and repetitive litigation barred. More importantly, the court has acknowledged Vantara as a matter of national pride, setting a benchmark for how India can lead the way in conservation and animal welfare.